Hello and welcome to Osaka famous spot in Japan. Every Sunday, I will introduce a famous spot of Osaka in English. I am your professor, Mr. Doi, and I'm making this video for my English study. If my pronunciation is unclear, please refer to the script in this video description. Today, I will talk to you about Semba Center Building. Semba Center Building is a large shopping and wholesale area in the Semba district of Osaka. It opened in 1970 and it's well known as a textile and fabric town. The building is special because it has 8 connected sections that stretch about 1 kilometer from Midosuji Street to Sakaisuji Street. It's a symbol of Osaka's merchants' culture. At first, the area was only for wholesalers, but now everyone can shop there. Many shops sell fabric, clothes, fashion goods, interior goods, and craft items. Many tailors and designers come here to buy fabric. But normal shoppers can also buy small amounts at a good price, so it's popular with people who like crafts. Recently, more foreign visitors come to Semba Center Building. There are duty-free shops and English signs to help tourists. The building is easy to reach. It's connected to Honmachi Station and Sakaisuji Honmachi Station on the Osaka Metro. There are also cafes and restaurants where you can take a break during shopping. With the Osaka Kansai Expo coming in 2025, even more people will visit. It will want to feel the lively shopping culture of Osaka. Semba Center Building is a good place to go. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.